All right, guys, so here's S.8. All right, and we are going to be writing an equation from a graph. So when we're writing an equation from a graph, we need to have it in y equals mx plus b. Okay, so y equals mx plus b. Remember our two parts. Our m is our slope. Okay, so m equals slope, and my b is my y-intercept. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we got to fill in this equation, but we need to find our y-intercept first. All right, so we'll use green for our y-intercept. All right, so when I find my y-intercept, I go my y-axis, I find the spot point where it crosses the y-axis, which is right there. Okay, and the one thing we need to pay attention to is this is not 1. All right, that is not a 1 because this is counting by 20s, which means the line in between is going to be 10. So my y-intercept is a negative 10. So for y-intercept, I'm going to write negative 10 down here because I'm filling in my slope-intercept form. All right, which will be y equals something x minus 10. And then we need to find our slope. And to find our slope, we're going to find 2 points. And when I say 2 points, I'm finding 2 places where it intersects on the graph. Okay, so one place where it intersects, I know it intersects right here at my y-intercept. Okay, and I can either go right or left. All right, but we're looking for, if you see how these grids up here, they all cross each other. All right, if it crosses somewhere where it hits right there in the middle, like for example, here's one. Okay, and I'm keep looking, and I have another one right here. So I have 3 spots here where these cross exactly on my line. All right, so I'm going to count from point to point. I'm going to make my stair treads. So my stair tread would be like this. Okay, so we're going up. I'm not going up 1. How many am I going up? I'm going up 10. All right, so when I go up 10, it's a positive 10, and I go right. All right, I'm going right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not going right 7 though. Remember, they're counting by 10, so it'll be right 70. Okay, so when my slope is positive because I'm going up and right. Up is positive, right is positive. So when I reduce this, I'm going to have y equals 10 over 70 can reduce to 1 over 7 x minus 10. And that is going to be my equation. So first thing, find your y-intercept. Go on the y-axis. Find where it crosses the y-axis. And then use our rise over run to find your slope. And we can either count like this, or you could have used slope formula. Okay? And remember, slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So to do that, you would pick your point. So for example, this point would have been negative 70 comma negative 20. And this point, my y-intercept would have been 0 comma negative 10. You would have labeled those, put them in the formula, and that would have given your slope as well. All right. So hope that helps.